This is the video training for the P-4000M box compression tester from Regmed. You turn your unit on. The on-off button is on the front control panel. It will say select your option on the display. You go to the key prog, choose the testing software ISO, choose the testing units, choosing 1 or 0. You can choose between Newton or kilogram force. Confirm with enter. Test speed is fixed by ISO standard. The rupture criteria, usually 90%. Partial forces, yes, which will be sent only to the data transmission to the computer. Interval of measurements, so it's pre-configured. Now you choose your option, so you go to upper key, ISO, yes, confirm with enter. How many tests you want to do? Oh, that's the number to identify the series of tests you will be doing, the number to identify the operator, the aperture, which corresponds to the height of the box you will test. After entering the height or the aperture, the upper plate will move downwards at a higher speed. You choose which surface will be applied the load. You choose the preload method, which will compensate any non-conformity on the shape of the box. How many tests you want to do? It will say wait because the upper table is still moving downwards. We can see the unit has the connectors for the serial port and the parallel port. The upper one is the serial port connector, the lower one is the parallel port for connecting the printer directly to the unit. So you can print a test report directly from the machine. So now the upper compression table has reached the configured height, and you are able to start the test by pressing the key enter. It will display the current load. The deflection will be measured after the preload is reached, and after it starts measuring, it will also inform the period of the test. See, after the preload has been reached, the deflection starts to be measured, and the time of the test starts to be measured too. So it will compress the box until the measured force drops to the configured 90% of the maximum value previously measured. User has a full view of the box that is being tested. So he's able to check the performance of the box throughout the test, as well to judge if the test is considered valid or not. Start to see some changes. So it's near the test was complete. The upper table returns to its original height. You can confirm if you consider the test valid. That's just the signal saying that lunchtime is over, so maybe there will be some additional noise coming from the production machines. So you confirm the second test, you review the values, test number 1, number 2, you don't want to review, it's at end of test. The statistics are displayed for load and deflection. You transmit automatically to the computer, and you will press imp, it prints on the parallel printer. So the test